how to get your Snapchat password if you forgot it. So if you want to get your Snapchat password, if you have forgot it, you can reset it using the following steps. So you have to watch the video till the end. First of all, launch your Snapchat app and you have to just go for your profile here, just tap on the gear icon, just go for the logout option. So after logging in, just go for the remove account here, and here you have to just go for the login option and you have to type your username. So if you can't remember your username, you have to select your forget password, and here you can see that you can choose the option. If you want to send the code through your email, you have to just go for the email. If you want to use your phone, just go for the SMS. And after that, you have to provide your number, just go for the submit option. And the code will be sent to your number here. So you have to write the code that has been sent to your number. After that, here you have to write the password and just go for the confirm password. After resetting your password, you can log in again by using your new password. So this way you can easily get your password. This way you can easily get your Snapchat password if you forget it. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.